Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Zoho Mail versus Protonmail. Which one's better? Let's find out. Zoho Mail is part of Zoho's larger suite of productivity tools and is designed mainly for professionals and small to mid-sized businesses. It offers ad-free email hosting with custom domains, so you can have a professional-looking email like your name at missing. It also comes with integrated calendar and task tools, making it easier to manage meetings, deadlines, and team projects all in one place. Plus, if you're already using Zoho CRM or other Zoho workspace apps, the integration is seamless, letting you track emails, tasks, and client interactions without switching platforms. Zoho Mail stands out for its clean, user-friendly interface, strong admin protocols for team management, and a generous free plan for individual users who want a professional email setup. However, the setup process for custom domains can be a bit tricky for beginners, especially if you're not familiar with DNS settings. And some advanced features, like additional storage or email retention policies, are locked behind pay tiers. A good tip here is to follow Zoho's setup guides carefully, or use a domain provider that simplifies DNS management. Protonmail, on the other hand, is a privacy-focused email service based in Switzerland, a country known for strong privacy laws. It is built for users who prioritize security and encryption above all else. Protonmail offers end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the recipient can read your emails. No one else, not even Protonmail, has access. It also features zero-access architecture and open-source transparency, so security enthusiasts can verify how data is handled. The interface is straightforward, making it easy to use, even for those new to encrypted email. This makes Protonmail ideal for journalists, freelancers, or anyone dealing with sensitive information. The main drawbacks are limited storage on free accounts, usually just a few hundred megabytes, and fewer integration options with third-party productivity tools. So if you need to connect your email to CRMs, calendars, or automation tools, you might feel a bit restricted. In short, Zoho Mail shines for productivity and business management, offering tools that help teams collaborate, track projects, and stay organized. Protonmail excels in privacy and personal data protection, giving you peace of mind when sending sensitive messages. If collaboration and integration matter most for your work or business, Zoho Mail is the ideal choice. If confidentiality, encryption, and privacy top your list, Protonmail is the safer bet. For some users, a hybrid approach, using Zoho Mail for work and Protonmail for sensitive communications, can also make sense. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more in-depth comparisons like this one.